Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I wanted to share reviews of some new products which I have been trying out from Nykaa. This is also a haul, but I have already tried and tested these products out, so I can give you a review about it. I did not buy all these products together. It's been like I have bought this since the past 2-3 months, so that's why I have a lot of products in this box. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. I have few skincare, makeup and some hair care products. So let's start the video with a skincare product. This is the Hip Hop Cleansing Charcoal No Strips. This is how the packaging looks like. I got 2 packs for 99 rupees. I think it's a very good deal. You get 3 strips in each pack. These are basically charcoal strips. It looks like this, and you have to apply this on your wet nose, and they have claimed that it will help in removing blackheads. So I have tried this. I have also tried one more variant from this same brand long time back, but I didn't really like that. So I wanted to give this a try because it's charcoal based. So I did try this and I was so surprised. Since lockdown I've started, I haven't done any cleanups or anything. So I had a lot of gunk and blackheads and whiteheads on my nose, and when I used to apply makeup it used to look very bad. So I tried this and I was very surprised because it removed all the dirt and the whiteheads from my nose in like one go. It did not remove blackheads. I don't think you can remove blackheads until you go to a dermatologist and get it extracted. But for whiteheads and the oil and gunk in your pores, I think this is really good. It really made my nose very smooth, and I think for like 99 rupees you get 6 strips. So it is worth a try. If you have ever tried this, let me know how did it work for you. The next product is a face pack. This is the Everyuth Pure and Light Tan Removal Pack for face and body. This retails for 99 rupees, but I got for 84 rupees. I think it's a very decent price for a face pack. I have tried this and I really liked it. I don't know if you remember, I had shown a Innisfree face pack in my empties video. And it is discontinued, and when I used this it really reminded me of that face pack because it has got very similar texture, and it did make my face a little bright and smooth. So I will highly recommend if you are looking for an affordable face pack. This face pack contains chocolate and cherry, and it smells also really good. The next product is a vitamin C serum. This is the Pilgrim Vitamin C Night Serum with hyaluronic acid and white lotus. This is how the packaging looks like, and I will show you the inner packaging as well. It's a glass bottle, and this is how the bottle looks like. It comes with a dropper. This is how the serum looks like. It's a transparent color. So I have been using this since at least 3 weeks now, and I did not like this. So the reasons I did not like this is because first of all, it broke me out from the first time I have applied, and secondly, it's highly fragranced. So it has got a very strong jasmine kind of a fragrance, and it stays for a very long time. And the third thing is that if you have oily skin, you will not like this at all because it's very thick. It's like an oil. I have rarely seen a vitamin C serum this thick of a consistency. I will show you. As you can see, it's basically like an oil, and it takes a long time to get absorbed into the skin. So I tried it for the first time. It broke me out. I had a huge pimple over here. So I thought maybe it's a new product, so it takes time to get used to the skin. So I tried it again and again, and every time I applied, I used to get this painful acne. So I don't know what to do with this, because still there is a lot left in this bottle, but I do not want to use this on my face. Maybe I will use it as a body oil or something, because I don't want to waste the product which I paid money for. This retails for 550 rupees, but I got for 440 rupees on a sale. And one more thing, in the ingredients list they have almond oil, olive oil, gold peptide, sesame oil, ascorbyl phosphate. So vitamin C comes like fourth or fifth ingredient, which it's okay, but they have lot of oils in the serum, which I don't understand. They have also perfume, so it is highly fragrant. So if you have sensitive skin, please stay away from this serum. I think this is a new launch on Nykaa. I have never seen this before, and if you have ever tried this, just let me know in the comment section below how did you like it. The next product was a request by a subscriber of mine. This is the Colorbar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion for all skin types. So this is basically like a primer by Colorbar. You can also use this as a moisturizer. This retails for 950 rupees, but I got it for 900 rupees. This is how the bottle looks like. The packaging is very pretty, and you have to twist it and the pump comes out, and you can pump the product like this. This is how the product looks like once it's blended. I have tried this on my face. It has a very duochrome effect. If you are someone who likes your makeup to be very dewy, or even during winters, you know, our skin gets really dry, so this is like a hybrid of, you know, moisturizer and a dewy primer. I would highly recommend this if you are of a dry to normal skin. I think if you are oily skin, you might find it a little greasy, but overall it's a very nice product. You get 30 ml of product for 950 rupees. This is also a cruelty free product. The next product is an eyeshadow palette. I have been eyeing on this palette for a really long time. I was waiting for it to go on a discount. This is the Nicka K eyeshadow palette in the shade Poison Apple. This is how the palette looks like, and this I got it for 300 rupees. It actually retails for 599 rupees. So I think for 300 rupees it's a really good deal. And this is how the colors looks like. I have already done a look with this palette on my Instagram. It's such a pretty palette. First of all, the colors are very pigmented. Both the mattes and the shimmers are very pretty and good quality. I was very surprised because you know, sometimes when you buy affordable palettes, the eyeshadows can be a little patchy, but this really surprised me. So if you are a beginner, they have lot of neutral colors, they have bright colored palettes also. You can definitely check it out. You don't have to buy this color. I wanted a red colored palette because I didn't have any, so that's why I got this. But they have lot of variants in the same 9 eyeshadow palettes, so definitely check this out. I really love this palette. These are the swatches of some of the colors. You can see how pigmented it is. I think it's really worth a try if you are looking for a new and affordable eyeshadow palette. The next product is a single eyeshadow. This is the PAC Pressed Glitter. This is how the outer packaging looks like. This retails for 500 rupees for one eyeshadow, which is expensive, but the quality of this is so good. I will show you. This is how the packaging looks like. And this is how the products looks like. This is in the shade number 14 Glory, and just look at this. This is how it looks like. It is so pretty. I was so surprised when I saw this. I think PAC have very good eyeshadows and brushes. Their brushes are very affordable and very good quality. If you are a bride, or you know, if you are a makeup artist especially, you will love this. The only thing is that you have to either use a setting spray or a glitter glue to apply this, otherwise it will fall all over your face. But other than that, the pigmentation is amazing. It will take your eye look to another level, so it's really good and it's really worth the money. The next product is a mascara. So I have been using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara for a really long time. So I wanted to try a new mascara. I saw some of the bloggers using this mascara. So this is the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. This retails for 825 rupees, but I got it for 570 rupees. So this is how the wand looks like. So I have very mixed reviews about this. It definitely lengthens your lashes, so if you have like very short lashes, I think you will really like this, but it doesn't give volume. So whenever I tried this, it definitely separates and lengthens, but it doesn't give volume. So volume is something which I look for in a mascara, because my eyelashes are very sparse and I don't wear false eyelashes. So I didn't really like this. I think I will go back to my L'Oreal Lash Paradise itself, but I will use this up for sure. The packaging is very beautiful and I really like the aesthetic of Flower Beauty as a brand. But I was a little disappointed with this product, but I really want to try out their foundation. If you have tried it, let me know in the comment section how did you enjoy it. The next product is one of my favorite product currently. It is the star of the makeup which I am wearing right now. It is the Lakme Insta Liner in the shade blue. This retails for 130 rupees for 9 ml, and I was so surprised when I saw this product. Just look at the color. It is such a bright blue color, and if you are someone who is lazy to do, you know, a very bright and heavy eye makeup, you can just wear this. You can see how pigmented it is, and it will make you stand out in a crowd. It is so pretty. It's very bright. The formula is amazing. It is not at all patchy. It applies very smoothly. Once it sets, it doesn't move. It's quite long lasting, and I was really surprised, and I have been enjoying this product a lot. I have always loved Lakme eyeliner, even the black one. That was one of the, you know, very first eyeliners I've ever bought, and this is equally good and much more pigmented than the black one. If you're someone who is getting into colored eyeliners, or you know, a little bit different eye makeup, I think you can definitely buy this. It's not even expensive, and it is of very good quality. The next product is again a very affordable find of mine, and I've been enjoying it a lot. This is the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This retails for 199 rupees, and this is in the shade 04. This is how the product looks like. So I have tried this once. I haven't tried it a lot. One thing I noticed is that the color, the glitters can be a little uneven, but I think for the price it's okay. I can work with it. Look it gives on the eyes is very pretty. Just like, you know, applying one eyeshadow and you can be done for the day. Especially for weddings or, you know, parties at night, it will look really good, and it's very easy to apply because it's a liquid eyeshadow. You can also use this as a glitter eyeliner, so it's like a 2-in-1 product. And Swiss Beauty is a very nice brand when it comes to eyeliners and eyeshadows. I really like their kajals and eyeliners. The next product is a hair care product. It's the last product of this video. This is the Herbal Essence Clean White Strawberry and Sweet Mint Conditioner. This is how the bottle looks like. This retails for 650 rupees, but I got it for 450 rupees on sale. This contains strawberry and sweet mint. They say with an essential antioxidant, it helps purify and protect against what your hair gets used to over time. The results of free flowing hair. So I have tried this couple of times, and the fragrance is very pleasant. It can be a quite strong fragrance for someone like me who doesn't like fruity fragrances much, but I don't mind the fragrance. When it comes to the texture of the conditioner, it's okay. I saw a lot of people rave about this, that's why I bought this, and my conditioner was over, which I was using, the Pantene one. I would prefer the Pantene anti-hair fall conditioner than this, because that makes my hair instantly smooth and soft. This is a very average conditioner. I will definitely use it up because I bought it, but I wouldn't recommend this. It's nothing extraordinary. So these were my mini reviews about the products I recently purchased from Nykaa. I hope this video was helpful to you and informative. If you did enjoy my video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it. I will see you soon in my next one.